Imagine walking down a street in the 1930s. The sky is gray, the wind is cold, shops are closed. People stand in long lines, waiting for food. Many are wearing old coats and worn-out shoes. Some carry signs asking for work. Others are selling apples just to earn a few cents. This was life during the Great Depression, a time when millions of people lost their jobs, their homes, and their savings. The Great Depression began in the United States in 1929. It quickly spread to many other countries around the world. It was the worst economic crisis in modern history. People lost money, banks failed, and businesses closed. Families who had once lived in comfort were suddenly struggling just to eat. One of the main causes of the Great Depression was the stock market crash. In the 1920s, many people bought stocks, which are small pieces of a company. They hoped the stocks would go up in value so they could sell them and make money. But in October 1929, the stock market began to fall. People panicked. They tried to sell their stocks all at once, but prices kept dropping. On October 29th, a day called Black Tuesday, the market crashed. Billions of dollars were lost in just one day. After the crash, many people went to banks to take out their money, but the banks didn't have enough cash. Some banks closed forever, and people lost all their savings. Without banks lending money, businesses couldn't grow. Factories made fewer goods, and workers were laid off. Soon millions of people had no jobs. By 1933, about 1 out of every 4 workers in the U.S. was unemployed. In cities, people stood in bread lines to get food from charities. Others lived in tiny shacks made of wood and metal. These places were called Hoovervilles, named after President Herbert Hoover. Many blamed him for not doing enough to help. Farmers also suffered. There was already too much food being grown, so prices were low. Then a terrible drought hit the middle of the country. The soil dried up, and huge dust storms swept across the land. This disaster became known as the Dust Bowl. Crops died, animals starved, families packed up and moved west, hoping to find work in California. Many did not find what they were looking for. Even children had to deal with the hard times. Some left school to help their families. Others went hungry or wore hand-me-down clothes until they were full of holes. In some cases, children were sent to live with relatives because their parents couldn't afford to care for them. In 1932, Franklin D. Roosevelt was elected president. People called him FDR. He promised a New Deal to help the country. The New Deal was a group of programs to create jobs, fix the economy, and protect people's money. Some workers built roads, parks, and schools. Others planted trees or helped farmers. The government also started programs like Social Security to help older people and those who couldn't work. FDR gave radio talks called fireside chats. In a calm voice, he explained what was happening and what the government was doing. These talks helped people feel less scared and more hopeful. Bit by bit, things began to get better. Still, the Great Depression lasted for many years. Even with the New Deal, not everyone found work right away. It wasn't until World War II began in the early 1940s that the economy truly recovered. During the war, factories made weapons, clothes, and supplies for soldiers. Millions of jobs were created. The country began to grow strong again. The Great Depression changed the United States and the world. It showed how connected the economy is. When one part falls, others can fall too. It also showed how important it is to have safety nets, like job programs and bank protections. Many of the programs started during the New Deal still exist today. Today, we can learn a lot from the Great Depression. We learn how hard life was for so many people and how they didn't give up. Families shared food, neighbors helped each other. People found strength in working together. Even in the darkest times, they kept going. The Great Depression was a time of sadness, but also of bravery, kindness, and hope. It reminds us that even when things fall apart, they can be built again, stronger than before.